Have you ever heard of ogbono, also known as African bush mango? Let me take you on a little flavor adventure. Imagine cracking open a fruit and discovering not just sweet pulp inside, but seeds, packed with power, flavor, and serious health benefits. Now, ogbono isn't just any fruit. In West Africa, it's the star of the show, especially in the legendary ogbono soup. What makes it so special? Well, the seeds are ground into a silky, nutty powder that turns any soup into a rich, slightly sticky masterpiece. Picture scooping up fragrant, savory soup with soft pounded yam. I promise, it's comfort food on a whole new level. But ogbono is more than just delicious. It's a superfruit. The seeds are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, calcium, and antioxidants. That means eating ogbono can help keep your heart happy, your digestion on track, and your body full of energy. Plus, it helps you feel fuller for longer, making it a secret weapon for anyone with snack cravings. Here's how I love to eat it. Start with a hot pot of soup, add your favorite meats or veggies, and stir in ground ogbono seeds. Let it simmer until it thickens and gets that signature gooey texture. Serve with fufu, rice, or even just with a spoon. It's that good. So next time you're searching for something new and nutritious, remember ogbono. It's not just a fruit, it's an experience. Are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments how you'd like to eat your ogbono.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.